Hi, this is a 10-minute yoga workout for beginners. My name is Jacqueline Umoff, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for checking this out. If this is your first time, I have a ton of videos on how to really strengthen your body, make yourself your absolute best version. So all you need is you and your mat. You don't need any experience at all. I will walk you through everything. All right, so let's get started. So having the feet together at the back of your yoga mat, bring the hands together and just take a moment, close the eyes and bring your focus inward. Drop the shoulders, begin to deepen the breath in and out through the nose. Feeling fully present and grateful for your beautiful body. Blink the eyes open. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up towards the sky. And then exhale, I want you to cactus the arms and open the heart up towards the sky. Reach the arms back up towards the sky. And then swoop the arms down. Squeeze the outer hips in, pull the abs in as you slowly lower all the way down towards the mat. Nice job. Halfway lift here. So that means you're going to lift the crown of the head forward and up. If you need to bring the hands up to the knees, that's okay. Be where you need to be. You can be here or here, wherever is good for you. And lower the head down. Nice. We're going to bend the right knee. We're going to place the right hand down on the floor and we're going to twist and look up. And then bring the hand back down. Switch other side. Bend the knee. Twist, look up. And then lower back down. Nice. Inhale, lift the crown of the head forward. Keep the weight over the toes and lower back down. Again, inhale, sweep the arms all the way out and up. Squeeze the glutes together to help support you. Engage the hamstrings as you lift all the way up. Bring the hands up towards the sky and then the hands to the heart center. One more time, just like that. Inhale, reach the arms up towards the sky. Lift up, reach long. Exhale, bring the elbows down. Open the heart up towards the sky. Lift back up. Exhale, sweep the arms all the way back down. Nice job. Now you're gonna walk your hands all the way out to the top of the mat and we're gonna come into downward facing dog. So holding here, spreading the fingers out wide, rotating the shoulders externally, creating some space between your shoulders and your ears. Take a nice big deep breath here. Then we're going to shift forward into high plank pose. If this is too much for you, you can just come down onto your knees. So you would just be down here like this with the hips forward. Good. Holding here, we're going to shift the weight forward into the hands, bring the elbows in towards the body, and we're going to take a little baby cobra pose. Lift the head up towards the sky, making sure that you're not lifting the chin up too high, and then lower the head back down. Good. One more time. Lift the crown of the head up, squeeze the elbows in, and then lower back down. And then in one swoop, in your big exhale, you're going to take a big inhale, and exhale, I want you to push all the way back up to that half plank pose. Here we go. Inhale, squeeze the elbows in. Exhale, press all the way to half plank pose. Nice. Tuck the toes back under. High plank pose, and then back to downward facing dog. Good job. Now we'll try the fullest expression of that, or you can stay on your knees. So shift the shoulders over the wrists. Bring the shoulders a little bit beyond the toe or beyond the fingers by pushing into the toes and pushing the heels forward. Lower down into your chaturanga, squeezing the elbows in towards the midline of the body and then coming all the way up to upward facing dog. Press into the hands, squeeze the shoulder blades together, lift the heart up nice and high. Thighs are toned and lifted. Good, and then you're going to press the hands into the ground, actually squeeze the upper arm bones together to turn the chest on and press back into a downward facing dog. Good, now I want you to walk the hands all the way forward to the top of the mat. Inhale, reach the crown of the head forward. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, squeeze the outer hips, swoop the arms out and up, reach up towards the sky, lengthen the sides of the waist, and then exhale, open the heart up towards the sky, reach back up, and then swoop all the way back down towards the floor. Inhale, extend, elongate the spine, reach the crown of the head forward. Exhale, release down. Place the palms on the earth, step the left foot back, then step the right foot back, shift the shoulders forward. Remember, you can go onto your knees if you need to. Lower into your chaturanga, squeezing the elbows in. Upward facing dog. Squeeze the upper arm bones here to turn on the chest to help support you as you come back. Nice job. We're gonna lift the right leg up now. So inhale, lift the right leg up. We're going to tuck the knee in towards the chest. So you're going to lift up high onto the ball of the toe, make space by pushing the floor away, and just stepping the foot right in between the hands. Trying to keep both hands on the ground. Swivel the back foot down. So I have a nice little split stance here. So there's a line down the middle. You want to be on either side of the line. Draw the right hip back. Really push down into the front heel as you reach the arms forward and up for warrior one. Good. Holding here for just a moment. And then open the arms up, come into warrior two. Shoulders draw down, really reach to the fingertips. So in warrior two, your hips are open. So you're creating this nice open feeling in the hips. The knee should be over the ankle. And you're firming up the quad here. So tone up that front leg as well as stretching the hips. Back foot is at a slight angle and you're pressing into the knife edge of that foot. Good, now we're going to reach the left arm up and over. We're going to come into a side angle pose. So bringing the right elbow to the right knee, extending long through the fingertips. So rotate the pinky down, thumb up. Shoulders draw down the back, pull the belly in. So firm up the hamstring by pushing into the front heel. Good, now I want you to lift up nice and tall and then reverse it. So create this big space around you, feeling that the energy is going outside of your physical body. Really reach, so I'm just gliding down. I'm barely putting any weight on that back leg, extending long, try to bend further into that front leg. And then we're going to circle the arms all the way. So the right hand comes back down to the ground on the outside of the leg and the left hand comes down. I swivel back onto the back toes, push into the hands to lift that knee up, step it back into high plank pose. Then we shift the shoulders back over the fingertips, lower down into chaturanga. Beautiful job. Press up into upward facing dog. Lift the heart up towards the sky. And then press it all the way back to downward facing dog. Nice job. Take a nice big inhale in here. Feeling your body, feeling how the heart rate might be accelerated slightly, feeling how you're connecting to your body in a whole new way. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, bend the knee, pull it in towards your chest. Push the floor away to create space in the body. Then step the foot in between the hands without the hands lifting. Spin the back heel down. Draw that front hip back to square off the hips. Begin to press into that front heel. Reach the arms forward and up. Nice big inhale in. Exhale, open up to warrior two. Beautiful. Opening up the hips. Remembering all the things from the first side. Toning the front quad. Pressing into the knife edge of the back foot And lift up and over as you come into your side angle pose. See where you can find length here. So find length from the fingertips all the way down to the heel. Pull the lower belly in. If you want to add a little extra challenge, you can bring the top arm up. Good, and then reverse it. Just barely glide down that front leg and open up the sides of the waist. Reach that arm long. And then circle the hand down. Bring the hands down towards the floor. Spin the back foot under. Press the hands into the floor to scoot that leg back into high plank pose. Shift forward into your chaturanga. So squeeze the elbows into the midline of the body, making sure that you're not dropping too far. And then press the hands, straighten the arms, open the heart up towards the sky, lift the belly up, and then come all the way back down to downward facing dog. And then walk your feet up towards the top of the mat. Inhale, lift the crown of the head up, halfway lift. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, rise all the way up to the top, mountain pose. One last time, open up the heart and chest towards the sky. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, bring the hands to heart center, bowing to your own self in total gratitude for your beautiful body and your beautiful day. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am Action Jacqueline, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet, because I've got so many more videos just like this that I know you're going to love. Leave your comments below. I can't wait to hear how you like this. All right, see you next time.